Good morning, student. I hope that you have done the question based on fundamental geometrical concept, exercise 19 and example also. Now I'm going to start your next chapter, triangle, exercise 20, means chapter 20, triangle. What is triangle? First definition, what is a triangle? A plane figure bounded by three lines segment known as triangle. A plane figure bounded by three lines segment known as triangle, each having three sides and three vertices. Side AB, BC, AC and vertices ABC. Now I am going to explain type of triangle on the basis of sides. On the basis of sides, how many type of triangle? First one I have written already, equilateral triangle. A triangle having all sides are equal known as equilateral triangle. Means AB is equal to BC, means side AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. A triangle in which all sides are equal, known as equilateral triangle. If sides are equal, then all angle will be also equal. This implies that angle A is equal to B is equal to angle C. Second one, isosceles triangle. A triangle in which two sides are equal. A triangle in which two sides are equal, known as isosceles triangle, PQR. In this side PQ is equal to side PR. This also implies that if sides are equal, then opposite angle will be also equal. Means angle Q is equal to angle R. Third one, scalar triangle. A triangle in which all three sides are different. All three sides are different means all three sides are different, known as scalar triangle. If sides are different, then angle will be also different. This is on the basis of side. Now on the basis of angles, triangle is also three types. First one, right angled triangle. Sorry, acute angled triangle. First one, acute angled triangle. A triangle in which all the angles are acute. Acute means less than 90 degree. All the angles are acute, known as acute angled triangle. Second one, right angled triangle. A triangle in which one angle is 90 degree. 90 degree means right angle, known as right angled triangle. Third one, obtuse angle triangle. A triangle in which at least one angle should be obtuse. Obtuse means more than 90 degree. That angle are called, this triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. Now see that in a triangle, already I have explained in my own video. The line which are from vertices to the base perpendicular, this line is called LTQ. Whereas the line joining the midpoint of the base from the vertices, this point is called median. Already I have explained this one. This line is called median. Next one, in a triangle, suppose in a circle is there, in circle, it is formed by bisector of the having two sides. This center is called in circle center. And if in a triangle, circle. This is obtained by bisecting two sides of the triangle. This is called circumcenter. In center, this is called circumcenter. Next one theorem is that. Theorem is this. Prove that the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree or two right angle. 180 degree or two right angle. Proof. In triangle ABC, construct a triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, we draw MN parallel to BC through A. Through A we draw a parallel line MN which are parallel to BC. Now consider angle 1. This is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, this is angle 4, angle 5. See that since MN parallel to BC, this implies that angle 4 is equal to angle 2. This angle equal to this angle, interior alternate angle. Reason is interior alternate angle. You have already studied in 7th class in parallel line chapter, interior alternate angle. Similarly, angle 4 will be also equal to angle 5 will be also equal to angle 3. Same reason, interior alternate angle. Now, angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Why? Straight line. This line is straight, so all sum of the angle will be 180 degree. On the place of 4, we have to write 2. 4 is equal to angle 2. Angle 2 plus angle 1 on the place of 5 is equal to 3. 180 degree. Angle 2 is equal to angle B, 1 angle A, 3 angle C. 180 degree. Proof. The sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now move toward exercise question. Only one exercise given here. First question is the fill in the blanks. Second question. Two angle of a triangle 45, 85, find the measure of third angle. Very simple question. I am going to write this one. And you have to write down your flag copy, okay? This question is very important. Exercise 20.1. Given question number 2. Question number 2. In a triangle ABC, suppose in a triangle ABC, two angles are given. One angle is 45 degree, other angle is 85. Suppose this is 45, this one 85. Very simple question. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C 180 degree. Angle A value is 40. Angle A you have to calculate. B given 45, C 85. 180. Angle A is equal to 180 minus G plus this side minus 130. What is coming? 15 degree. It is not necessary that angle A will be 50. Any angle should be 50 degree because here name of the angle not given. See question number 4. In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 2B is equal to 6C. Okay. Question number 4. Question number 4 given. In a triangle ABC, this relation given. Angle A is equal to 2B is equal to 2 angle C. Let angle C be x. So now see that 2B is equal to 6C, 6 angle C, then B is equal to 3 angle C. C value I am suppose x. This will 3x. Okay. Angle A is equal to 2B, angle A is equal to 2B, B is equal to 3x, 2 into 3x, 6x. Now angle A plus angle B plus angle C, 180 degree. A is equal to 6x, B is equal to 2x, 3x, and C is equal to x, 180. Tan x is equal to 180, x is equal to 18 degree. So now C, angle C value is x means 18 degree, angle B value is 3x, B value is 3x, 3 into 18, 54 degree, and A is equal to 6x. 6 into 18, 180. 180. This type of question you can easily do. Okay, simple question. Now see one more question. 9th question. 6 questions are very familiar to you. In an isosceles triangle, the vertical angle is 30 more than the base angle. Find the angle of a triangle. See that what type of triangle given. This triangle is given isosceles triangle. Means two angle are equal means in two sides are equal means two angles are already equal. See. Given in isosceles triangle, vertical angle is 30 more than base angle. Let base angle be question number 9. Let base angle be x. Since isosceles triangle two sides are equal and base angle is x, then this angle will be also x. Let base angle bx, then vertical angle this angle x plus 30 more than x plus 30 more than. Now angle A plus angle B plus angle C 180 degree A value x plus 30, B value x, C value x 180, 3x 180 minus 30, 3x 150, x is equal to 50 degree. Then angle B is equal to 50 degree, angle C is equal to also 50 degree, angle A is equal to 50 plus 30, 80 degree. Similarly, you can solve other question also. Only 10 question given, and you practice to solve example first, second, and third. You have to solve example first, second, and third. In next video, I will teach inequalities, then congruency. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.